1, go.
Okay. Hello guys. Today we're gonna be filming how to get mama's hand. How to get mama's hands. So let's go. Kobe Bryant, watch this. I'm Kobe Bryant. I
Oh,
suck.
that is not Kobe Bryant. Hold up, let me make it follow me.
Go.
Alright, follow me.
Follow me. Come over here. The clown is not friendly.
Where is he?
Follow my lead. Just follow my lead. Left, right. I see him.
Oh shit!
Come here.
Keep an eye on him. Keep an eye on him. Wait! Wait for me. He's right here. I have no hook shot. Okay.
Hey.
Oh, I see him. I see him. I'm going.
I'm making
Jump.
him chase me right now. Just jump.
Oh
jump.
shit!
Jump. Oh shit. He says you're looking tasty.
Come on. Come
He
on.
says you're looking tasty.
Come on. Where are you? Oh.
Okay. Jump. Jump. Let's go. Run quick.
I'm right here. Go, bro. Go.
Oh, I made it. Let's go. We did it. Wait.
We did it.
Yeah. Why are you green?
Bruh. Oh.
Okay, let's go.
I see it. I wanna get it. I wanna get.
Fine, here. Cause
Where's
you
the other
both
one?
blue. Oh
Where'd he
no.
go?
I fell.
What?
Fell into the void.
I'll get it.
Oh, I see
Or
it.
not.
I see it.
It's not
It's
even
right
there.
here.
Oh, I see it.
Here, big boy.
Don't you?
See,
Okay.
it's Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man.
Oh.
My favorite colors are
Who made
blue
that
and
mess?
white, just so you know. Ah!
Yay! Oh my god. Oh! Am I tilted?
We need
Arms.
I found
I'm
the
tilted.
triangles.
Arms.
3 shapes. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Go.
Oh, I'm not tilted. Okay.
I got it. Go.
Let's go. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, you got all of them already, bruh?
I'm the Flash. Okay, guys. Okay, Phase goes. It's your first day at the daycare. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm going up, not down.
Okay, Phase goes. We're here. Phase goes.
I'm coming. Oh, I see you.
Phase goes down the stairs. It's your first day at the daycare.
Hey.
Just don't worry. They had a power outage here, so let's go in.
Power outage. Ooh.
In here. Look,
Hey.
look. You can have coloring. Come on. Now you can
Hey.
swap. Just don't mind the paint. Just don't mind the skeletons. Oh, what's that? There's ghost. What's that?
No, no.
There's ghost. Oh no!
I could die right now. I forgot my hook shot.
Face Ghost, I'm sorry. I'll sacrifice myself.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
This far,
Oh my
I'm
god!
gonna get him to me. He's come to me. Let's go.
Oh my god! Please! Please! Please!
You're such a mother. Oh wait. Run away.
Where's my camera?
Come
Camera.
God save you.
He's coming.
No, he's not.
Or not. Oh my god. I need to eat this.
You can see.
Oh my god, bro.
Now you can run faster. Wait.
Football.
Oh, can of beans. Get this. Can of beans.
I'm eating
Now
the
you can
can
fart.
too.
Now follow me.
Where is
He's coming.
Oh.
Just fly.
I
Fly
saw.
away.
I saw.
He's going. Come
To me?
No, he's
To me?
going to me. Oh, now he's going to sleep. Come here, you chicken nugget. He's coming for me, boy. Hurry up.
Let me put up.
Yo, bro, if this was staring you at 3 a.m., what would you do?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What? Face Ghost, I'm sorry.
I'm right here.
Girlfriend,
I'm alive.
I'm getting to me.
I'm sorry.
Yo, his shoes are untied. Face Ghost, do
Dang.
you like the daycare so far?
Yeah.
Just don't mind
My
him.
camera.
Just don't mind him. He doesn't harm people.
Oh, are you sure?
Hey, I'm sure. That the blood on his face is just ketchup. I promise.
Oh. Ah.
It's just ketchup. I
Can I
promise.
go?
Oh my god.
Run away. Leave, never come back, bro. Come back.
Gotcha.
Oh no. I can't
Where's my
revive him.
camera?
You know what? Face Ghost, I'm gonna help you. Come eat me, Clownio Crispino.
No.
Ah!
Revive.
Go back to for this time. Here's a grappler.
Yeah, this time.
Yeah, this time, buddy. This time. And next time, kill people. I'm sorry.
Bro,
Where's your
what?
camera?
Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
you
it's
got
right
a
here.
big lance. Let me go pull out my extra grappler. You know what?
Okay. We're gonna be eating MREs and burritos. Mostly we're gonna get burritos.
We're gonna fart everywhere.
That's the whole point.
Oh, you need some more burritos?
No, I got burritos. I got enough burritos, bro.
No, take some more.
Bro.
4 burritos. Aren't you hungry?
Yeah, bro, I'm hungry. I'm gonna need
Okay.
a hook shot.
Do you have a hook shot? I'm gonna give you a hook shot. I'm gonna give you a hook shot.
Hold up. I have a hook shot.
Okay, let's go. Who's cooler,
ready.
me or him?
Alright, let's go.
Let's go, Bills.
Oh my
Chicken
god, I'm way too heavy.
How? I'll hold
no.
the back for you. Let me hold the back for you.
No. I got it.
How about I hold your camera?
Just respawn. Alright, it's back. It's following
Phase goes. How's the daycare?
me. It was great, bro.
Okay, you want in this 5 Wait.
Tell me y'all just saw that. Yo. I think his headset died. Oh! Alright, that was today's video. Stay tuned because we might do this again. Die. Oh, never mind, he's back. Yo. I'm at the circus. I'm at the very start. Like where we teleport. No, not yet. I'm where the teleporter is. Yeah, where you teleport to the school, the daycare. Yeah, you see me, right? I was just about to end the video.
Sorry about my Wi-Fi, bro. Sorry about my Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I was just about to end the video.
No. If I make this shot, everyone has to subscribe. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
If I make this, everyone has to subscribe.
Hey, y'all heard
I
him.
have
Subscriber, I killed your family. Anyways.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Yo,
Oh my
Yo.
god.
bro, I think the kids are down that way.
Hold on, I gotta lose.
What is that?
What is what?
What is that? Is that a clown?
That's the clown. Watch out, He's about to... Oh my gosh.
Come to me, bro.
You little monkey. Dang, he's acting so short. I just realized. I know I'm coming. You flippin' suck. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I'm here.
Let's go.
I'm here.
Bro, me and my friends the other night, guess what?
Hmm.
We were getting diddled by the clown.
Okay, bro.
Oh, the thing's already here. Bro, it's open.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, the door is open.
No, it's not.
It is.
Look, I can't get in.
Look at this monk. Look at him. The camera's pointing.
I can't get in. Yo, all the shapes are in, and I can't get in. Is it open for you? It's not open for me.
It's open. You can see me.
Look at me.
I know. Subscribe and like.
What the
And share.
heck? Yo, how is the star here?
Bro. Bro, it just fell.
Yo,
It just
I cannot
fell,
get
bro.
in.
Yeah, you can, unless you have to use the Wi-Fi glitch. Like where you cut off your Wi-Fi and then put it back on. Hello?
So I have to turn off my Wi-Fi and cut it back on.
No, like, once you turn it off, you have about like 20 seconds to
Turn
go
it back
through that
on.
door. Yeah,
20 seconds.
dude, you have 20 seconds. Turn off your Wi-Fi and then go. The door should be open.
I don't know how to turn off my Wi-Fi.
Look, you see your menu?
Oh yeah, I'm turning
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. He's going. He is going. Look at him. Look at that gap, bro. Come on, gap. Are you in? Hello? Hello? One hour. You win? Hey, let's
Yeah.
go, bro.
Bro, can you tell me why? Okay. Remember the plan. If you survive Art the Clown, then you can get ice cream and go to the pool. How'd that sound?
Yo, bet.
Let's go, let's go.
Alright, lock in for real, bro.
Wait, if they have no music, if they have no speakers, how does that sound coming?
Wait
a
a minute.
videotape. It's the videotape how this all happened.
Really? Wait, you
Yeah,
could
look.
actually do it?
No, it's like tapes, and if you put on the tape, you get nuts. No, not that kind of nuts, bro.
Yo.
Not that kind.
Where do I put it in?
And we have to go back home.
Oh,
Let's just leave
Okay.
it there.
I'll save this. I'll save. Or not.
Okay, get the other one. Get the other one.
There's another one?
Yeah, it's right here on the desk.
That's yours.
Get it. Put it in the bag.
Okay, but I can't. It won't let me. Let me
Wait.
let this camera follow me.
Follow you. Follow you. Follow you.
Alright. Oh my.
Wait, bro, what's behind that door? Is that like a billion people dead right there? Wait, I know why those doors are closed.
Why?
Cause all the kids got kidnapped.
No, really?
Yeah, cause look at this photo.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Sunshine, lollipops, and
Okay,
Timbers.
camera. I'm sorry if you, or audience,
Yo,
I'm sorry
flashlight,
if you don't see us, cause.
let me have the flashlight so I can see Art the Clown.
Okay. Quick, get it.
Art the Clown. Art the Clown. Where is he? He's not here. Let's go. Son.
What?
I think he's stuck. I know where the way
Actually-
is. He's
Alright,
stuck.
hurry, bro.
He's stuck. I know the way. Come on. Follow me, big boy.
Okay, bro.
Sorry. Come. Sunshine, lollipops,
Oh.
and come
Oh.
on, lollipops.
Help! I'm
Go.
stuck! I'm stuck!
Hurry
I'm
up.
stuck!
Hurry up.
Now what?
Hurry up.
The chairs! It's flying! Oh my god! Let me on the chair. We absolutely have to book it.
We're faster than him, so.
Oh yeah.
You
Let
wanna
me
know
check
why
my
we're
headset.
faster? Wait, if he has his shoes tied, then we'll. Ooh.
Alright. Bro, what? I'm gonna take these 2 tapes.
No, let's have some lunchtime. Let's have some lunchtime.
Yeah, bro. Alright, I'm gonna eat that ass.
Bro, my booty's better than yours.
Bro, you don't even have one.
Yes, I do. Go in the black hole at first. No, I'm rock, paper, scissors. Whoever has to go first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I beat you!
Bro, that was a delay. Alright, again.
Go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
shoot.
You delayed again. Wait, I got you. I choose paper, you choose rock.
Wait.
You gotta go, bro.
No.
You gotta go.
No, you have to. I hear his footsteps.
Same.
Oh, I'm scared.
You
Yo,
got that.
imagine they replaced him with the clown.
Oh my god, bro.
Yo, imagine the clown was in that dark room saying, hoo, 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 hoo.
Bro.
I'm lonely. Go. We have no flashlight. I don't want to go in there, bro. It's
You know
like
what? You can't even be there.
Cocomelon. I think
Isn't
he
it
wants
a
his
bright?
Cocomelon.
Isn't it a bright room in there?
Yeah, if we run there. I hear his footsteps.
Mike's.
I hear his footsteps. He's stuck. He's stuck. Book it. He's stuck.
We gotta go that way.
Yeah,
Okay,
we
rock,
gotta go
paper,
that
scissors,
way.
shoot. Again.
Son,
Best
I'm
out
gonna
of
win
three.
for you.
Best out of three.
So this is rock. This is paper. No, this is scissors, and this is paper.
Yeah, okay. Rock,
Mm,
paper,
mm,
scissors,
mm.
shoot.
No! Best of three.
Rock,
One.
paper, scissors, shoot.
I beat you.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No! I picked scissors.
You know what? Let's just go, bro.
Let's book it. We're the fastest runners in the whole
Ready?
entire
3, 2, 1. Go! Go! Oh my god.
He's stuck. He's stuck. I'm out here.
Go, 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 go. It's to the left, to the left.
Book it!
I
You
booked
booked
it.
it.
I swear. I wonder what it is back there.
There's an elevator. It's an elevator.
Boom!
Just climb up the
Go,
slide
bro.
and slide down.
Whee! Oh, I
I
forgot
can't.
my camera.
Get it done.
Bro!
Come back.
My
It's
headset
focused on.
You put it on me.
Yeah, it's on you.
No,
never mind.
it's. You
Oh,
get the-
it's back on you. Let's go.
Let's go. Guys, we gotta book it. Wait, where's the camera?
It's following
You
you.
gotta
Don't
book
worry.
it. You gotta book it. You gotta go book it.
Book it! Book it! Book it! Oh my god.
Go first.
Guys,
Go first.
I'm
Go.
literally so cool right now. Come on. Jump.
He's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
We go. We're just Sigma
Yo,
like
why
that, bro.
was he just standing there? Tell me why he was just standing there. Whee! There's
Nah,
no
trust me.
point. Why is
Oh,
it-
it's on you again.
Let's go, guys. Camera,
So where was he standing?
He was standing where was he? Bro, it's actually so easy to get to the bomb boss.
I know.
It would have changed it to not have back. Do that if he's stuck.
That part, I don't know.
Okay.
What if we go
We're
back?
Mythbusters. We're Mythbusters today.
Alright, let's go.
We're Mythbusters.
Mythbuster.
Yeah, what's your account name? What's your YouTube account name?
KitKat AC67.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Get it eaten by him. Let's just,
Bro, let's just go to the mob boss. Screw it.
let's just die.
No,
we can't
let's just
die.
go to the elevator.
Oh yeah, true. See what the elevator takes us. Let me hold
Okay,
it.
bro.
Yee.
It's right there.
Okay, so, okay, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. What's the next video?
Give him a kiss.
What's the next video? What's the next video?
Yeah. Alright, see ya.
Love you guys. The next video is gonna be... The next video is gonna be getting the microwave to work. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, well,
See you guys later. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.